guys, we are out at the property today, and we thought we were going to get some more progress done on this mound of rock. We got some more rock delivered, I'll show you, but no more progress. And so we're not the happiest people right now. Unfortunately, that's how things go sometimes. Hopefully we can get it done soon, and I'll show you guys what's going on. So there's what's going on. It's not leveled out at all, and a big load was just kind of dumped. So nothing's leveled out, and it's heartbreaking because they're supposed to be out here in a couple weeks to stake it out for the foundation. So not so happy about it, but that's life sometimes. In other news, the well people called us and said that they would be out in about 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. So hopefully, we've been waiting a year for that. So hopefully they will be out here in 2 to 3 weeks. I've only heard good things about the company that we're going through with our well. So hopefully that will all be good and we can get that done. So Chris is trying to do something with it. Sorry about the wind, guys. I need to get over there though. thank you for coming by. You guys have a great and wonderful day, and as always, God bless. And we'll see you next time on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.